Hello everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to launch a deployment run. To start, head over to Deployments under the Composite section of the main menu, and pick your deployment. This one looks good. To launch, click this power icon, or click the tile itself. Then select the Launch button on the deployment page. Next, configure your base settings. Select a cloud space. Give your deployment run a name and, optionally, a description. Then enter a username and password. Coming up with a password that meets complexity requirements is important, but it can also be a pain, especially if you're in a hurry. So click the Generate button, and it will automatically fill in a strong password. You can toggle visibility on the password by clicking this eyeball, and helpfully, you can copy the password by clicking this button here. Keep scrolling down and you will see various launch options. We're going to leave them with the default values for now, but if you'd like to learn more about launch options, you can check out the link in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. That said, it's always a good idea to check Retain on Error just in case there's any issues launching the run. On the next page, you can make edits to your system specifications and networking settings. And on this third page, you have the option to input deployment properties. Now, click Submit to launch your run. While waiting for your run to become available, you can select Cancel to stop your run from building, Rerun in case you make any last-minute changes and need to start over, or Publish to make your run available to the Express users in your project. Build times will vary based on the size and number of your virtual hosts, on the kinds of tests and applications you're running, and on the availability of resources. But after a few minutes, your deployment run will be fully available. At this point, you can scroll down to your virtual host and click on it for a more detailed look at its resources, network interfaces, and so on. Or you can click the Connect button to launch a remote access session. Back on the deployment run page, you can review the activity log, the runtime properties, and the results of any tests you may have run on your machine. These three tabs are especially useful when debugging assets that encountered errors during building or testing. You also have the option to stop agents, to redeploy hosts, to unpublish, and to release your deployment run. We'll take a closer look at how to release an active deployment run in the next video. If you have any questions or if you'd like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These links will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.